Hey, 6.7 Power Stroke owners, here's one of your trucks. So I love the Fords, but they do break still sometimes. This one came in with a small knock, sounded just like an injector fuel knock. Got it in here, plugged into it, went through the diagnostics, found that number 2 wasn't shutting down all the way. The noise was still there with number 2 shut down. Pulled the valve covers because on the 6.7 Power Stroke, it is common for a rocker arm to come off or come loose, and they'll knock. So we eliminated that. We did a compression test, found that number 2 cylinder was at 310 psi. You want to be at least 350 and above, so 310 is too low. So we took the camera, went down inside, and we're seeing a bunch of scoring from the piston rings. That's caused from heat. So this truck is tuned a little too hot and probably got on a hill with a load and pulled a little too hard. You need to make sure you have a pyro gauge. And if you have a gauge, make sure you keep it in the realm. 1350 is a safe range. You can go up above it. You can flirt with 1450. But I mean, just remember, the hotter it gets, the bigger things expand, closer the tolerances, the better chance you have of scarring or scraping something. This one here, we'll be pulling the engine out. We'll do a rebuild. But if anybody's got a question and you're wondering, hey, I got a small noise, I'm worried, I want to get this thing checked out, give us a call. We'll look at it for you, or we can install an EGT gauge. So give us a call. Utah Diesel Center, 801-796-9353.